Hello everyone and welcome to the Spanish kitchen. I, Chef Sandeep and Chef Rahul will demonstrate you the famous Spanish dish paella. The ingredient required for making of paella is chicken, prawns, chopped parsley, rice, grated cheese, beans, saffron milk, chopped onions, tomatoes, cream, salt, pepper, sugar, oregano, and olive oil. You can also add various seafoods other than this. So let's begin with the making of Spanish paella. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now we'll add chopped garlic. Paella holds lot of garlic flavor as Spanish people love eating garlic. Now we'll be adding chopped onions to it. Saute it well. There is a possibility that your garlic might stick to the paella pan. So you need to stir it very nicely. The onions are translucent now. We will be adding chicken. Seal it well. Slightly cook the chicken from both the sides. You can also add little olive oil to it if you are sticking to the paella pan. Now we'll be adding prawns to it. Prawns basically here are added with the shell so that the paella gets a very good flavor of seafood. You can also add scallops to it, shells to it. Now we'll be adding vegetables to it. Beans cut into diamond shape. Tomatoes. You can also add different varieties of locally available seasonal vegetables. Now we'll be adding rice, mix it well, then we'll be adding stock. You can add chicken stock or you can also add seafood stock if required. Now we'll add saffron milk. This gives a very good flavor. We'll mix it and then we'll add salt, pepper, herbs, and then we'll cover it. The rice mixture is almost ready now. We'll add little cream to it. Just to enrich the paella. Mix it properly and cover it with the lid and let it cook on a very slow flame until everything is cooked properly. The paella is ready now. We'll finish it with chopped parsley and grated cheese. The paella is served in the paella pan in which it has been made. It's a very traditional, classical dish which is a one meal from Spain. The paella is ready to be served, piping hot with lot of flavors of seafood and smoked paprika and saffron. Enjoy.